Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43 for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle. And then if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So this comes in a white exterior. You've got a black interior, this nice silver metallic accent. You also see the accent red stitching throughout the vehicle. We do have power memory seats, heated seats, as well as the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package throughout. Driver's seat, sunroof, and our AMG steering wheel. Also find AMG branding throughout the vehicle. So hopping inside, mileage is currently at 21,033. Do have a push button ignition. Here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing a radio and backup camera. Now below your display, we've got climate controls here. Also got some quick access buttons here. And below that, we've got a ashtray, cigarette lighter or power adapter, cup holder. Got our center console here with the dial to make adjustments on your display. You've got your dynamic select switch here, which will change between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. We also have a button here. This will switch between the powerful and the balanced setting here, which will affect how the vehicle sounds out there on the road. So when I just click it over to powerful, you can definitely hear that V8 engine. Pretty cool. And our shifter. Alright, so we've got our rear seats here next. Another look at that sunroof. And quick peek back up front. And around the back of the vehicle, we have our AMG, Mercedes-Benz AMG C43 badging. We've got a power opening and closing trunk. And that is a brief overview of the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. If you're interested in learning more or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.